Shalom and you're welcome to this tutorial video. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can start your own dropshipping business in Ghana. And for those of you that do not know what dropshipping is, it simply means that you are running a business whereby you do not have a product, but then you are selling other people's products and you are just taking your profits from it. Now, it sounds very more or less like a middleman, but then this one makes it very easy. This one, the beautiful thing about dropshipping is that you don't need to have a storefront. You don't even need to get the product. All you simply need to do is you just need to create your own store. Okay, create your own store online and then connect your store to your provider where you are going, whoever it is you are going to be sourcing your products from. And then when you get an order on your store, the order is automatically sent to your provider. Yeah, the order is automatically sent to your provider. So you understand it better as we proceed. Okay. Yes. So with this, you do not even need to even engage the customers directly or anything. The only thing you need to do in a business like this is advertise, get customers, and take your profits. That is it's as simple as that. So first of all, to get started, you just go into your browser and then you just type in GHMart.site. All right. You type in GHMart.site and then you create a store on this particular platform. Okay. So GHMart is a platform that helps enables Ghanaians to be able to run their businesses online. It helps Ghanaians to be able to create their own online stores and then place their products over there and take orders and all of this kind of stuff. You can see is the Ghanaian version of Shopify. All right, yeah, the Ghanaian version of Shopify. So if you are having issues creating your store, you can just scroll over to this part of the page and then tap the tutorial on how you can create your store over here. But then to run you through it quickly, you can just tap on open your store and then you input the details over here and then you register. So the registration currently goes for the price of 50 cedis. Okay, goes for the price of 50 cedis. It may rise and it may reduce depending on whichever time you are seeing this video. But then, yes, all you can do now is that you can take the advantage and the opportunity now that the price is at this particular level. All right, so I've already created my store. So what I'm going to just do is simply log into my dashboard on this particular store. Okay, I'm going to log into my dashboard. Okay, so yes, after you are done creating your store, you will see this particular dashboard. And then on this particular dashboard, okay, so now first of all, we want to sell stuffs and make money, but we do not have products. That is the problem that dropshipping solves. We want to sell things and get profits to make money, but we do not have products. What do we do? Your answer is dropshipping. So after you have created your store over here, all right, after you have created your store over here, all you need to simply do is you go over here, as you can see over here. First of all, you go to the watch tutorials, which will take you to the vendor academy, and then you watch all of the tutorials over here so that you can fully manage your store. It will cover a lot of things regarding your store that I won't even touch on in this video because it's a lot, all right? But then let's go straight to the solution that we are trying to solve with dropshipping, all right? So you see the supplier marketplace, you go to the supplier marketplace, and then over here in the supplier marketplace, you will see suppliers over here, okay? So currently there are two suppliers. This particular supplier is for those that would like to sell data, but then we are not looking at that now. I covered that one in a different video. Subscribe to my channel and then like this video. You can go into the description. You can go to my channel and then you will find the video there. All right. Yes. So this one we are looking at selling stuffs actually, and so with that we are going to use our supplier Mimisun GH. All right. So what you do is you simply tap on. You can save a supplier. There are going to be more suppliers as time goes on. And if you would also want to be a supplier, I would cover that part too at the end of this video. All right. So what you are going to do now is you are going to tap on view catalog. All right. So when you tap on the view catalog, it will show you a lot of things regarding your store that I won't even touch on in this video because it's a lot. All right. But then let's go straight to the solution that we are trying to solve with dropshipping. All right. So what you tap on the view catalog, it will show you the supplier all of the products on their platform. Okay, to show you all of the products on their platform. So now all you can do is you can go through. There are a lot of products over here, a lot. Okay, there are a lot of products over here. You can go through the products over here and then choose the one that you want to import. All right, the one you want to import, the one that you want to sell. So maybe if you want to start selling laptops and stuff, you can choose the laptops. Or if you want to start selling films or phones or whichever ones, okay, whatever it is your supplier has, if he has it and that is what you want to sell, if you want to sell everything that your supplier is selling to you, you can also do what? Select all. All right. So right now I want to go for laptops because laptops nowadays are in high demand. All right. So Mimi's Home GH have some beautiful laptops over here. So I'm going to select this and then this, 4, 5. You can select as many as they have. All right. You can select as many as they have. All right. So I'm going to select this one too. Okay. All right. There's also a PS5. Okay. So I'm going to select these ones. I'm going to select these ones. So with the ones that I've selected, when you are done doing your selection, what you just do is you tap on import selected. So now when you tap on import selected, it will now bring you to the import setting. It will now bring the import settings modal, all right, where you will now choose your profit percentage. So now what this import settings actually does is that it's going to take the products that you have selected and add them to your online store, your store that you just created. It's going to add them there. Now, when it adds it to your store, you need to change the prices so that when someone buys from you, okay, so that when someone buys from you, you will be able to get profit from it. If you put the same prices that maybe Home GH or your supplier has on your store, when you get sales, you are not going to, get any profit from it. So on this page, you set your profit percentage. Maybe you want the prices on your store to be increased by, let's say, 10%. Okay, you want the prices on your store to be increased by 10%. So what is going to happen is that, let's say the if you import all the prices of the products that you selected on your store would be 10% higher. Okay, that's if you want it to increase by percentage. If you want it to increase by a fixed amount or less, so a fixed amount meaning that you want all of the products you selected to be increased by 100 CD. So all of them, they will add the platform will add 100 CDs to it and place it as the price tag on your store. All right. So I'm going to just do a percentage. I'm going to go by percentage. Okay, 10%. I'm going to go by 5%. All right. I'm going to go by 5%. So now if you want to put it into a particular category on your platform, you can do that. Okay. So you can just use laptop. You understand categories when you go through the vendor academy, but then fine. Or you can leave it empty to use the suppliers category. All right. Okay. So now when you're done with that, you just tap on import items, and then it would, as you can see, it will successfully import them into your store. So now we have them over here in our store, as you can see. Okay, we have them over here in our store. So as you can see, the prices over here have all been what? Increased by 100. All of these things over here were things that I already had imported into the store. All right. Okay, so now we can just go back to the dashboard, and now let's go and visit our online store that we just created. Okay, visit our online store that we just created. All right, so this is the store that we just created. So the gadgets that we imported, the laptops that we imported, as you can see, all of them are over here. Okay, all of them are now over here. So now you can all you just need to do is you just have to copy the link to your store over here and then share it to your audience or your customers. And now what happens is that when someone places an order on your store, the order, okay, what happens is that this is the beautiful part about GHMart that makes it exceptional in comparison to all other multi-vendor platforms. All right, GHMart would automatically remove the supplier's price. So like, let's say with this one, let's say for the 5,000, for instance, over here, let's say the 460 is what is the 460 cedis over here is what is your profit, and the 5,000 is the supplier's price. The GHMart will just remove the 5,000 and send that one to your supplier, and the 460 will now come directly to you. So everything is automatic. You do not have to even now have to now do your calculations and everything. All you need to do is to just get customers, take profit. Okay, and the orders too would automatically be sent to the supplier. And in this case, our supplier is Mimis from GH. Okay, so the orders will automatically be sent to Mimis from GH. All right. So now, for the last take, if you would also want to sign up on GHMart and now your business has grown big, you feel like, okay, you can now separate yourself and run your own stuffs. Okay, you too can also become a supplier. What you need to do is you just simply go to the my accounts page over here. Okay, so over here on the my accounts page, this is where you can manage everything regarding your online store. You will learn all of these things in the vendor academy, like I showed you at the beginning of this tutorial video. All right, so you come over here to my accounts page, and over here you can see what's become a verified vendor. All right, so with a verified vendor, you see that the verified vendor, you need to first meet this eligibility requirement. Okay, you need to first meet this requirement. So first, you must be on the pro plan or higher. You must have a minimum of 20 sales in the last 7 days. Your store must be older than 30 years, active product, and then your store rating must not be less than 3.9. All right. So yeah. So now this GHMart does this to ensure that whoever becomes a verified vendor is not someone that is ending up um, stealing money from people. So whoever you see as a verified vendor on GHMart, I can 100% assure you that they are trusted. All right. Yes. So you can just go into the GHMart main platform, and then you can just go to the browse store, and then we can check out the verified vendor we used in this particular tutorial video. That's Mimis from GH. And as you can see, they have a check mark over here that's assuring you that they are verified. All right. Yes. So you can now go on ahead and then follow this tutorial step by step and start your own job shipping business. So you can do well to now subscribe to this channel, okay, for more amazing content like this, mind-blowing content, life-changing content, productive content, all right? And like this video so that your algorithm knows that these are the type of content you like from me, so that it pushes those type of contents to you. Comment on this particular video. Let me hear from you in the comment section. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. And then I'll also be looking forward to seeing you in my next tutorial video as a vendor on GHMart and also as my subscriber. Shalom and